What's up, everybody? John with John's Pressure Washing here. Got another pressure washing video. We're gonna do nothing crazy today. It's gonna be a pretty quick one. Let me show you. Got this wall. Gonna give it a good rinse, get all the dirt off. And then we got good old trusty dusty DeWalt. And we got the good old sidewalk here. That's gonna look real nice when it's done. That's about it, guys. Nothing crazy. Let's get to it. All right, guys, nothing much left to do. I'm gonna rinse it off, see how it looks. Here we go. All right, everybody, let me show you the end result. Got this sidewalk. Beautiful. Clean. I wouldn't recommend eating on here, but you could. Customers. It's amazing. And then, good old tripod. We did this stone right here. It's a lot better. Didn't go there. The camera up front's kind of broken. Didn't want to wash. Got a camera up there, camera up there. Didn't come prepared for that. Didn't walk the area. And then just for fun, I cleaned these up. Picture on that. But alright, guys, that's it for the video. Like and subscribe. Really helps out with these videos. Don't forget to share the content if you would. Any questions, comments, or concerns, leave them in the comments down below. Yeah, guys, thanks for watching, and thanks for washing. Have a good one.